Lesson 11-4, Part 2. After deciding which model best fits the data, you can write a function. Recall the general forms of linear, quadratic, and exponential functions. You guys remember these basic equations? Linear function. Your basic equation is y equals mx plus b. Guys, do you remember standard form for quadratics? Ax squared plus, okay, let me put in y equals mx plus b. Do you guys remember what standard form was for an exponential function? ab raised to the x. That's right. That's right. Okay, use the data in the table to describe how the number of people changes. Then write a function that models the data. Use your function to predict the number of people who received emails after 1 week. Okay, so our table shows the number of days and the number of people who showed email. First, we have to decide what type of function models the situation. You think that's exponential? Okay, we're going to check it out. My x's are increasing by 1 each time. You're right. My y's are increasing by 7 each time, or not increasing by 7, being multiplied by a constant ratio of 7 each time. So you're right. This is definitely exponential. Each day, the number of emails is multiplied by 7. We're going to write a function. There's a constant ratio of 7. The data appears to be exponential. So here's our basic equation, y equals a times b raised to the x. B is our constant ratio. I don't know if I did a very good job of stressing that in previous videos, but our constant ratio is the B. Do you guys remember what A is? A is usually our starting point. Didn't we decide yesterday A is also your y-intercept?
Yes.
Yeah, I thought that's what we learned yesterday. Let's choose an ordered pair from the table, such as the 0, 8. We're going to substitute that in for the x and the y, and guess what we're solving for? What are we going to solve for?
A number.
No.
A number.
What are we solving for?
Y.
I've got a y right here.
Oh.
I've got an x. What are we solving for? A. Yeah, let's plug that in and we're going to solve for A. Any number raised to the 0 power is what? 1. So I've got A being multiplied by 1. So A equals what? 8. Let's rewrite our equation. Our exponential function is this. Y equals 8 times 7 raised to the x. Okay? Okay then. All right. Predict the number of emails after 1 week. We've got our little function here. 1 week is how many days? 7 days. We're going to substitute in 7, and we get that many emails.
Wow.
Yeah, I know. That's a big number. And they're double checking here. Remember, when the independent variable changes by a constant amount, linear functions have a constant first difference, quadratic functions have constant second differences, exponential functions have a constant ratio. Yeah, here, this right here is your notes. You should pause your video here and make sure you've got this all jotted down. Okay, there's your assignment. Good luck with that, guys.